Today I'm unboxing the sewing machine that we just bought 30 of for our sewing classroom. It's the Janome 2030DC 2025 model. Whether you're brand new to sewing or you've been stitching for years, this machine is packed with features that make sewing not only easier but genuinely fun, and I highly recommend it for all levels. Right out of the box, it's sturdy, compact, and has that classic Janome build quality that we love and is going to last us for the next 15 years as grade 7, 8s, and 9s wreak havoc on it. In the package, you'll find the instruction manual, power cord, foot pedal, and a set of presser feet, including a buttonhole foot, a zipper foot, and a general purpose foot. I'll show you these in a bit. So first we have a spool stand and a seam ripper. This is also a buttonhole opener, an additional spool pin, a spool pin felt, a lint brush, a small spool holder. We've got 3 bobbins, a zipper foot, the blind hem foot, the satin stitch foot, an overedge foot, a screwdriver key for when you need to get into your machine, and a set of needles. I believe there's 3 in there. The LED screen is bright and easy to read, and we've got a little button here for your needle for up-down control. We've also got 30 stitches to choose from, decorative, stretch, and buttonholes. Everything's labeled really clearly, and we've got the speed control dial here. So you have more control, slow when you're learning, and you can pick it up when you feel confident. There's also an accessories box with a buttonhole foot, and the accessories box is removable. Finally, we have the soft cover for easy storage. Keep the dust off your beautiful machine.